so I wonder why. I feel pain when the rain fall from the sky. That's all my partner tears making heaven cry. Sent you a message when the pigeons fly. Goodbye, listen to the reverend. Reach about a legend 24/7. I'm missing you in my presence, you will never die. I wipe my eye while the quiet sing a lullaby. So some respect we apply in a suit and tie. This was a lie, I can't deny. Sin is believing, I had to accept you no longer breathing. I bury you decent when I carry you reminiscent. Relive every memory is a reason. Different partner joining Jesus every season. Leaving me grieving in morning. Call home either evening, night, evening, or morning. And be gone with no warning. We born to feel leaving. This world is a blessing, no less than a curse. The pain never lasts, and I'm strong, but it hurt. Won't be the last time I visit my homie in the church. Touch a casket. Remember you laughing, dark glasses with a witness your hearse. Witness your bundle of flowers around a hole in the dirt. Witness your picture on the shirt, and I'm asking to witness many more days on this earth. What could be worse? I'll be the first in this fashion. Tell you with passion. How bad did it hurt? How bad did it hurt? How bad did it hurt to just breathe, breathe, breathe for all of my partners, for all of my partners. No, I haven't forgot you. No, I haven't forgot you. Breathe, breathe, breathe for all of my partners.
All right, what's up, everybody? I hope everybody having a blessed and prosperous day. It's Ricochet, man, coming back at you with another vlog. Today is July the 18th, and I met my PSD trainer. My PSD trainer is a trainer that I'm going to be going over the road with. And not only did I meet him, I'm going over the road with him starting today. Very first day, man. I'm driving about 8 hours. So what I used to do, man, is I used to get in my car every morning, and I would drive for like 4 hours throughout Houston, just to kind of get my my stamina up for sitting in the passenger seat driving, you know. And today I'm gonna be driving 8 hours. I'm going to Maryland. We won't get there. The load ain't due until Sunday. So we'll get there Saturday night. And what we're doing is we're doing shift work. So like I drive like 9 hours. He'll drive like 9 hours. And we'll get there and we'll switch off. You know, once we switch off. Hey, how's it going, boss? You all right? All right. I know, right? So we'll switch off, and then once we switch off, you know, I'll get some rest, and then he'll drive, and then he'll get some rest, and then I'll drive. The good thing about it, man, is my trainer cool, man. His name is George, man. He's been with Prime for quite a few years. He's a lease purchase. He's buying his truck. He done completed several leases, and he decided, man, he's like, you know, it's probably just $100 more. He told me it's $100 more for him to lease purchase a truck versus lease. He ain't never been company. So he suggested, man, that I really look deep into that and think about it. The last 6 students that he had, they all went lease purchase, and then now they all lease. I mean, they all went lease. They all went lease, the lease program with Prime, and then they ended up going lease purchase. So I told him I was jumping out of lease right out the gate. I ain't going company. I'm gonna own me a truck, and what I'm gonna do, and the way I want to do it, is part of my plan. I'm gonna stick to my plan. You know, I've been truck shopping anyway, man. I've been going to Volvo. I went to Volvo in Houston. I went to Peterbilt in Houston. The actual Volvo that I want, it don't come out until February of next year. The brand new Volvo B&L A60. It don't come out until next year. I ain't gonna wait a whole year for a truck. I'm gonna get me something, whether it's brand new or used. I'm gonna get something, but I think I'm gonna go through Prime, man. I like how Prime got their lease purchase set up, and I think I'm gonna fast track my lease purchase. Once I lease purchase the truck, I'm gonna build it how I want to, and then after I build the truck how I want to, I'm gonna go and buy it. So instead of being in debt with them or owing them, I'm gonna go on to purchase the truck, and if I decide to make a move, I can make a move, you know? So that's kind of what I'm looking at. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. But yeah, man, my trainer, he pretty cool. He's a Spanish guy. He really cool, man. We've been playing the PlayStation. I'm not PlayStation, Xbox. He told me when he called me, hey, you got an Xbox, bring it with you. You know? I brought it with me. He went and bought him a badass TV and put his old TV up top on the top bunk with me. And he got Wi-Fi in there, man. We've been playing, what is that called, man? I can't even think of the name of it. We've been playing Fortnite, man. He's a Fortnite fan. I ain't never played Fortnite. Normally I play Call of Duty and games like that. But Fortnite ain't too bad, man. I learned and caught on pretty quick. I ain't as good as I want to be yet. But over the next month and a half of being on this truck with him, I'm gonna be all over it, you know? But yeah, man, my first day, my first experience of taking a load to Maryland. We met up this morning at 6 o'clock. I drove from Pasadena, Texas to Baytown, Texas, to a Dryer's ice cream facility. And it is now 4:57, man, and we still ain't loaded. And I still gotta drive 8 hours, man. I got tired of playing the Xbox. I had to get out, so I wanted to walk. So while I'm walking right now, I'm just kind of documenting what's going on. My first experience with my first load in my TNT training. Gonna be exciting, man. My trainer, man, he very good as far as the way he teach. What he did is he showed me how to trip plan. He trip planned from the start to the finish, man. Every route, where we're gonna get gas, where we're gonna stop at. He showed me all of that. And I'm excited about that because I thought that was gonna be a problem. I'm gonna have to learn that, but the way he explained it, it ain't too bad, man. It's gonna be pretty cool. So this is just me coming at you, man, updating you. Y'all stay tuned, man. Thank y'all for watching. Ace Deuces. Never been to Baltimore before. Walking out here at the truck stop, man, at night. I'm over here in Laredo, Texas. We're at the TA. Walking out here at the truck stop. Ain't no joke, man. It's the real deal. I'm a trucker now. Just the whole feel. I'm walking out here at the truck stop. Something else, man. What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you with another one. Hope everybody having a blessed and prosperous day. Yeah, man, I'm up here in Baltimore, Maryland. Drove here last night. I got here about 3 a.m. We weren't supposed to get here. We had a load. We sit at the receiver, man, for almost 24 hours because we got there early, man. We was running. When I say running, man, that's the terminology, meaning that we was moving, man. Like we drove 1,400 miles from Houston. I drove for 8 hours. He drove for 8 hours, and we pulled into the shipper same day. You know, at 60, we was going 65 all the way. He was asleep and I was driving, he was asleep. So, yeah, man. It was a really good ride, but we ended up coming over here to this TA over here in Baltimore, Maryland this morning. I drove over here and got here at 3 a.m. Went to sleep till about, I think I woke up probably about 11. He woke up probably a little earlier than I did. We went and had some breakfast. We're going to drive out tonight at midnight. He going to drive tonight. We're going to start it off, man. And that's good because that's going to put me on a shift where I'm going to be driving during the day tomorrow. So we got to be at our... at the shipper tomorrow by 10 a.m. So we got probably about a 12-hour drive to get to the. No, I take that back. We got a 6-hour drive to get to the shipper, and then we're gonna be headed to Memphis, Tennessee from there. Which is gonna be cool. That's gonna be another 1,200 miles under my belt. So this 30,000 gonna add up pretty quick, man, and that's what I'm needing. I'm needing to add it up pretty quick, so it add up pretty quick, and I can go and get on my own truck. You know, want to go and get on my own truck, so I ain't gotta worry about nothing. You know, that's the biggest thing. Getting on my own truck. Till next time, man. Hey, it's deuces.